Hey guys, it occurred to me that I haven't made a JakeFit video in some time, really since we were in Florida back in like early November. So yeah, the shirt's a little tight. I'm not doing so great with the weight loss. I did gain quite a bit of my weight back, as I've mentioned. And right now I'm just kind of, the holidays are done. I'm going back to work tomorrow. And I just kind of want to get on the Health Kick bandwagon once again and see if we can sort of make some of that disappear and maybe get rid of this extra tissue down here. And if I can, then I'm going to shave this beard because I'm getting a little tired of having such a big beard, but you know, it kind of covers the double chin nicely. Anyway, so yeah, that's just a little check-in. Probably last video of 2014. We'll see you in the new year. I'm going to try this week, on my way to the next week video, I'm going to try substituting herbal tea for my evening snacks. Try to cut down on the sheer volume of Christmas leftover food that I'm shoving down my gullet. And hopefully those two things will help me get back to sort of at a baseline around 210 to 212, which isn't where I want to be. I want to be 200 pounds. That was my goal in the original JakeFit thing. And we got there, and then I let it creep back on like an ass. But anyway, just wanted to check in, say happy holidays, happy new year, and let's make 2015 our year to lose some weight. Get fit. If you don't need to lose weight, just get fit. All right. I'm thinking half marathon this year. Who's with me? Okay, see ya.